So you might be wondering why I have this. But recently I've got Quest Jacket Volume 3 and I'm stuck. So what I have so far is, if you can read this, inside the Quest Jacket you see, so far what I have is this. First, on the inside jacket, which I haven't used, there are these patterns which seemingly matches up with this, but I'm not entirely sure how. There's a couple other stuff that I do have, but I think those two are connected. I also got light, burst, dust, and gaze from the sleeve, which from the internal sort of like the sort of jacket, if you see this side. But I don't know where that comes from, because light burst and dust gaze seem to be sort of like either light dust burst gaze. I don't know if you're meant to do the top two and the bottom two, or if it's meant to be on the same size, which I think it's meant to be light burst dust gaze, but I don't know where I'm meant to use it. It also says something about earn your stripes and badges, and if you see here, this might be something, but there's lines on at least a couple of them. There are two, like the one that looks like a sort of spade, and the one that's sort of a circle with two bits. Those two don't have the line, so I don't know if I'm going crazy. And if you see here with the diamond, the sort of like weird thing there, and the other one, those four do seemingly connect, but again, I don't think I'm crazy. Also, I don't know if I'm crazy to believe that one's a spade and one's a diamond, and might be thinking that there's something like there's a heart on it, because on the box there is a person holding four aces and they're of different houses, as sort of seen there. What I finally have I have this sort of longitude with a couple of points, which I feel like there's a line going from 2010, 11, so 21, 11, and 22, 23, which seemingly goes a specific direction, which are littered throughout the jacket. But inside the jacket, there is a circle of 12 star signs, and I guessed it nearly immediately, and then sort of like looked at my phone and like, oh, this one match. These are sort of zodiac. What this means is I am stuck in help. So yeah, that's, if anyone has any clues or any sort of help, please help. I'm stuck.